This was a $19,000 paver project we did in San Jose, California, and I'm going to be walking you through the day by day. This was our first day, and we were only meant to do this walkway you see from the corner of the house where the gutter's coming down to the front door. But the homeowner was there, and we told her, hey, we could do the whole driveway. We're already here. She said, sure, let's do it. So we went to go get the rest of our equipment to do the job swiftly, and that was the first day. On the second day, we finished the excavation and we started to bring in base material. Once we have all our base we need, we can then start grading it and doing the compaction process on it. Right here we have a really nice compactor that makes the job super smooth, and it allows us to move better. Now this was our third day. We bring in the washed sand. This is like a bed for the pavers, right? So we lay down a 1/2 inch pipe and we start screeding the sand, and then we can start installing pavers. The paver installation process actually goes quite fast. We install this all in a few hours. And then the fourth day. By the fourth day, we made all our cuts. So what that means is we shape the driveway, and then we can start doing the concrete on the edge. We make sure we have a really nice concrete footing so that the pavers are still. After we pour the concrete, we go piece by piece, laying it down, and we also add this thin set is what it's called, and it really grabs the pavers towards the concrete. On the following day, we did the compaction process. I did not record that, but we do compaction with the vibratory plate, and then we do another compaction with the vibratory plate and polymeric sand. Finally, we cleaned everything up and started to knock down the steps. Right here, we added an extra step because the homeowner had like a foot step. So what we did was we divided them up, added another step, and this is how the project turned out. There's people saying that they could do this in one day and whatnot. I don't believe it, but you tell me. Do you think $19,000 is worth it for this type of job? And also make sure to follow us on Instagram and Facebook at NorCal Interlocking Pavers.